probably heard that nitric oxide is good for you. If you want, veins and stuff, you need nitric oxide. It's good for your cardiovascular system. And you may even eat a lot of greens and celery, or even take beetroot, which is well known to promote that. But you're probably missing the cofactors, including manganese and zinc and some other stuff. What I do for that is I take a product called Nitric Boost, which is from a company called Vatellia Life. Go to Vatellia.com. They'll send you a bottle for free when you sign up for a subscription. If you're working on blood flow, whether it's here or here, you're going to notice a difference.
Guys, you're Donald here, coach at Legacy Fort Lauderdale. Taking Nitric Boost, it's awesome. I take it personally. It dilates my veins. I recover quicker from my workout, and it also helps me concentrate. This is a really good product. It's really good for your heart as well. Give it a try. Nitric Boost.
Steve, team leader. I'm a 58-year-old man who still believes in family values as teaching our kids right from wrong and for them. I've always been a fan of nitric oxide, especially when I'm trying to control my blood pressure, which run high in my family. I'm excited with trying Vatellia Life brand booster. The best part of this is they give you a 2-month supply, so it gives you ample time to see if it works for you. I just started this last week, so before I give this a final review, I will update every 2 weeks. That way, it gives the product plenty of time to get into my system, and it's more fair. You take 2 easy-to-swallow, tasteless capsules a day. Recommended with a meal, and that's it. I truly, even though it's been only 4 days, I feel more energy and I'm 57, but I just feel different, but in a good way. I still feel, even though it's a 2-month supply, it seems a little pricey, hence the 4 stars. But as I keep taking this product, I will update my review before I recommend. Update. I am 3/4 the way through this, and I haven't changed anything in my daily routine. I noticed a very big change, especially in the morning. I'm 57. I don't get my daily welcome committee like I used to when I was younger, but now I do. I was skeptical that it was from this at first, but I went off of it for a short time, and then back on I totally noticed that it was from this. If you're a man wanting to bring back your morning wood, a nitric oxide supplement is awesome because it opens up and lets more blood in, and that is what you get. This product might be pricey, but I highly recommend this because it truly works.